Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the cool new features packed into Apple's iOS 18, launching in September. Whether you're an iPhone power user or just curious about what's new, stick around because you're going to love what's coming up. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Let's kick things off with personalization. iOS 18 takes this to a whole new level with AI-driven custom themes. Imagine your iPhone learning your daily habits and suggesting themes that match your mood, your schedule, and even the weather. It's like your phone just gets you. Want a clean, minimalist look for work? Done. Prefer something more vibrant on weekends? iOS 18 has you covered. Next up, interactive widgets are finally here. Instead of static widgets that just sit there, you can control your music, toggle smart home devices, and even reply to messages, all without leaving your home screen. And the best part? You can customize these widgets with new actions, making your home screen truly your own. The dynamic island now supports live activities as well, for real-time updates on everything from your food delivery to your favorite sports scores. Apple's bringing some serious convenience with Apple Pay later. If you're a fan of Apple Pay, you're going to love this. Now, you can split your payments into interest-free installments directly through your iPhone. Rather than using third-party apps like Klarna or Afterpay, this is built right into Apple Pay and works seamlessly across your favorite apps and stores. Whether you're buying that new pair of sneakers or booking a vacation, managing your finances is a lot easier. Privacy has always been a core focus for Apple, and with iOS 18, it's better than ever. App privacy reports now give you a detailed view of how apps use your data, including third-party trackers. Plus, there's a new private relay feature that ensures your internet traffic is completely encrypted, kind of like having a VPN built into your iPhone. And for those looking for extra security, iOS 18 introduces locked and hidden apps, so your sensitive apps stay completely private. Let's talk about communication. iMessage and FaceTime have both gotten some improvements in iOS 18. Live text and messages lets you extract text from images in your chats, so no more typing out addresses or codes from photos. And FaceTime is even more immersive with spatial audio that makes it feel like your friends and family are right there in the room with you. Plus, iOS 18 introduces messages via satellite for those moments when you're off the grid. The Control Center has received a major overhaul, offering more customizable controls and quick access to essential functions. You can easily rearrange your shortcuts and add new ones. And let's not forget about Siri. Now with on-device processing, Siri responds faster and more accurately, even when you're offline. Siri also supports live transcription in notes, making it easier than ever to capture your thoughts on the go. Lastly, Wellness gets a boost with the new Mindfulness app. It's designed to help you stay grounded throughout your day, offering guided meditations, breathing exercises, and even a journal to log your thoughts. Plus, the Health app now provides comprehensive sleep analysis and custom workout plans based on your fitness level and goals. So there you have it, folks. iOS 18 is packed with incredible features that make your iPhone more powerful, more personal, and more secure than ever before. Which feature are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. If you've been enjoying our deep dives into tech, take it a step further and visit our store and site to explore all the devices and technology we've been talking about. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.